Merlin Video Training Course, Session 3, Our Places. In the last session we looked at the My Place area of Merlin and how you can customise your desktop. In this session we will be looking at the Our Places area, which is where you can access the collaborative places and share resources with other Merlin users. To access Our Places, click on the Our Places tab. By default you will be taken to your establishment's top level Our Place. Think of this place as your establishment's intranet page, which can be seen by all Merlin users in your establishment. To access the contents of a place, you can click on the content's name in the left-hand navigation bar. You can quickly switch from one content type to another. To get back to the front page of a place, you can either click on the place's notice board page, here, or on the place's name, here. Some places, like this one, may have a graphic on its front page with hotspots which link to the place's content. You can tell when you're on a hotspot because your cursor changes from an arrow to a hand. Simply click on the hotspot to follow that link. An Our Place notice board may have web parts. Web parts are often used to display information on the notice board which comes from other content within the place. This web part shows us information from the place's calendar, often labelled What's On. You'll have access to many Our Places. To see the full list of places that are available to you, click on the word Browse. This will then display the list of all the Our Places that you have permissions to see. You can see some of the places that we've already visited. Simply click on a place's name to go there. The drop-down list shows you your most recently visited Our Places. Again, clicking on one of the names will take you to that place. You can see that places are grouped by those in your school, those from your local authority, and from those from the Southwest Grid for Learning. Clicking on the word More takes you back to the full browse list. Now that we've looked at how to navigate around Our Places, let's look more closely at some of the content that can be added to them. It's useful to think about an Our Place as a room to which you have access, and this room has many activities and resources for you to interact with. An Our Place may contain a document library, a calendar, or a list of web links. It can also display content from other websites, such as an RSS newsfeed or a page from another internet site. It may also contain lists, blogs and wikis which allow users to collaborate, as well as surveys and forms used for collecting information. Merlin Our Places have been designed to be rich in multimedia, and so they can contain picture galleries, image slideshows and videos. Finally, users can often contribute to content using multimedia tools such as webcam, video, audio recordings, pictures as well as text. In the next session we shall look at these content applications more closely, as well as how to get Merlin to tell you when new content is added or things change in a place you're interested in.